Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and take out the camera lens frame by undoing screws. Undo 4 screws and lift the camera lens cover using a pry tool. Next, take out the SIM tray and disconnect the fingerprint plug. Next, take out the mid-frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic cup pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the sides to separate the plastic clips. Take out the mid-frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, on the logic board, loosen the adhesive and take out the front camera by disconnecting the plug. Next, disconnect and take out both rear cameras from the board. Please note, the global version of Redmi Note 10 5G comes with 3 rear cameras. Replace the required not working front or rear camera with a new one and place it on the board. Verify the camera connections and then secure the front camera adhesive. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the mid-frame by adding 13 screws and the SIM tray. And also make sure to connect the fingerprint plug. Next, place the camera lens frame by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.